Today, we're tackling a really useful skill for any Jira user, how to manage watchers on your tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add, remove, and control watchers, both individually and in bulk, so your team gets the updates they need, and nobody gets flooded with notifications they don't want. Let's jump right in. First, we need to make sure we're working in the correct project. In Jira, projects act like containers for all your issues and tasks, so starting in the right place is key. If you're not sure which project you should be working on, take a second to double-check with your team or look at your current assignments. Once you've selected the right project, navigate to your project's board. You'll usually find the board option in the left panel. This is the main hub where all your tasks are visualized. Now, choose the specific task you want to manage watchers for. Let's say it's a task in your to-do column. Just click it, and a pop-up window should open with the issue details. In this pop-up, look for the little eye icon. This symbol represents watchers, people who get notifications when something changes with this task. Click the eye icon, and you'll see an option to add watchers. This is where you can input the names of teammates who need to stay in the loop. Take your time here. Make sure you're adding the right folks. Think of watchers like subscribers to a newsletter. Only add people who really need these updates, or else things can get noisy quickly. After you've added watchers, notice that you have control over whether each watcher gets notifications. You can actually turn notifications on or off for each person, depending on what the situation calls for. For instance, maybe your designer only needs to know when the status changes, but not every tiny update. Adjust with care. Clear and targeted communication always saves time for everyone. But what if you need to do this for multiple tasks at once? Don't worry, Jira makes bulk changes pretty straightforward. First, go to the search bar at the top and click View All Work Items. Here, switch the filter type to JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. JQL lets you zero in on the exact issues you care about. For example, you might type in Watcher Current User to see all tasks you're currently watching. On the right, you'll spot a three-dot menu. Click it, then choose Bulk Change Work Items. Select all the issues that you want to update, then hit Next. Now, you've got options. You can either stop watching all of these issues or enable watching so you'll get updates on everything selected. Take a moment here. This step can really change your notification settings in a big way, so be sure you've picked the right tasks. Once you've made your selection, click Next one last time and then Confirm. That's it. You've just managed watchers across multiple Jira tasks in a single move. So, that wraps up how to manage watchers in Jira, both for individual issues and across many at once. Keeping your notifications tidy helps you and your team stay focused on what truly matters. If this walkthrough helped you, definitely hit that like button. And if you still have questions or run into any snags, drop a comment. I do my best to answer everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.